So we have completed here 6 tenses and future perfect. What is the difference between present continuous and past continuous? Present continuous, okay, for actions continuing at present, you see, subject plus is or am or, okay, are plus verbing form. Past continuous for the actions continuing at certain time in the past. Future continuous, actions continuing at certain time in future. How to identify? So if certain time in future is given, in future certain time is given, if the action, okay, should be going on at certain time in future, future continuous. If it is certain time in the past, certain time in the past, past continuous. If it is now or at present, nowadays, these days here, present continuous. Okay, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Then present perfect continuous, let us see here. The difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous is, before present, if the action is continuing for some time, present perfect continuous. Present కంటే ముందు కొంచెం కొంత పీరియడ్ కంటిన్యూ అయితే present perfect continuous. How do you recognize? Okay, by these hints, since plus time or for plus time. Okay, past perfect continuous means, so if the actions continued for some time before past or by past, past కంటే ముందు కొంత పీరియడ్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతే past perfect continuous, had been verbing form. How do you recognize that? For plus period of time, for plus some time, by past or before past. Next, future perfect continuous. If the actions is continuing for some time before future, future perfect continuous. Continuing for some time before future, future perfect continuous tense. For plus period of time before future or by future. Okay, so if the actions are already complete, okay, already going to be completed before future, future perfect. If completed before past, past perfect. Completed before present, present perfect. Okay, so clear, guys, here. Now let us go to another, okay, section, if clauses. Okay, for example, if clauses, generally there will be 3 types, maximum 4 types if clauses. If clause is also called as conditional clause. Guys, are you listening here? Okay, Bandi Priyanka, raise your hand. Bandi Priyanka, raise your hand. Hello, are you listening? Priyanka, no, absent. I will keep it absent on. Bhargavi Chandragiri, raise your hand. Bhargavi Chandragiri, Bhargavi, CH Bhargavi, absent. Bhavana, A Bhavana, right. Next one, Kona Deepika, K Deepika, raise your hand. Kona Deepika, right. Next, Lalita, raise your hand. Lalita, okay, right. So now you can drop your hands and respond. Okay, if you don't, okay, these candidates, if you don't follow, just try to unmute yourself and ask me doubts. Okay, so let me tell you here. Yes, right. So if clause is also known as conditional clause. Okay, for example, if you take a taxi, you can catch the train. If you work hard, you will succeed. both are related to future only. The condition is future, here also future. But in the condition, what are we using? If you will take a taxi, we are not saying if you will take a taxi. What do we say? If you take a taxi, you can catch the train. If you work hard, you will succeed. So in the if clause, what is the tense we are getting here? V1 form only, present tense only. Okay, with subject in the if clause, present tense is coming. Okay, this is called main clause. You can catch the train is called main clause. If clause, main clause. In the main clause, okay, we can use here will or shall or can or may plus V1. This is here type 1. You see, this is. Okay, if you work hard, you will succeed. If you take a taxi, you can catch the train. So in the if clause, present tense. In the main clause, will or shall or can or may plus V1 form. And go to the second one. If you took a taxi, you see here, past tense, took V2 form. If you took a taxi, you could catch the train. If I were the PM, I would cancel all the exams. Don't say if I was. In the if clause, okay, there will be no singular verb here. Even if I were, don't say if I was. If he were, if she were only. Is it clear? With if, we should not use here was. If I were the PM, I would cancel all the exams. If he were the CM, he would sell the entire state. See, in the if clause, what is the verb form? V2 form. Took V2 form. Were is also V2 form, past tense. In the main clause, would or should or could or might plus V1. This is type 2. And remember, this type 2 is used for only imaginary and improbable actions only, which are generally not possible. Which are generally not possible to happen. Just it is our, okay, imagination, our dream. Okay, is it clear? So for this one, we have to use second type. So in the examination, they will see, they will give here one side here verb. They will ask us to use another side. One side will be given, another side will be fill in the blank. Or this side will be given, this side will be fill in the blanks. Guys, you see here. Okay. In type 1, in if clause, present tense. In the main clause, will or shall or can or may plus V1. In type 2, in the if clause, past tense, that is V2 form. In the main clause, would or should or could or might plus V1 form. V1 only here also. In type 3, this is for past possible or probable but unfulfilled actions which were not fulfilled, but they were possible. In the if clause, we use past perfect. Past perfect means had plus V3. Had plus V3. In the main clause, we use here would have or should have or could have or might have plus V3. V3 form here. If you had taken a taxi, you could have caught the train. If you had asked me, I would have helped you. We can also say this one in another way. Okay, if we remove if, bring this had in the beginning. Had you asked me, had plus V3 form. Had you asked me, I would have helped you. This is type 3. Type 4, okay, in if clause simple present, in the main clause also simple present. This is for general truths. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Don't say you will get, because this is also truth. Okay, these are the 4 types here generally. Again, guys, once more here, once more pay attention. In type 1, in if clause present tense, in the main clause, will or shall or can or may plus V1. Okay. In type 2, subject plus past tense in if clause. Okay. In main class, subject plus would or should or could or might plus V1 only. Type 3. In if class, past perfect. In main class, could have, would have, should have, might have plus V3 form. Okay. In type 4, both sides are simple present tense only because those are truths. Okay. So now let us do our exercise. Now, 53. Guys, here it's raining hard. We dash get wet if we go out. If we go out. In if clause, what is that? If we go out. Which tense it is? Present tense. If we go out, we will get wet. We will get wet. All of you try to answer. I have taken attendance for 4 members now. Okay. They too have to answer. Hello guys here. All try to. Don't worry if you go wrong. In if clause present tense here. If we go out, we will get wet. We will get wet. Okay. This is type 1. Okay. Next one. 54. 54. If wishes dash horses, beggars would ride them. Would ride here. Beggars would ride. In the main clause, would plus V1. So it is second type. So what is the answer? Guys here. Hello. Try to answer. Beggars would ride them. In the main clause, would plus V1. In if clause, you don't know B forms? Okay. Were only, were. Very good. No, don't say were be. Were only. So, what are the B forms? B. Okay, let us see here. B. Okay. B was or were. Was or were. Okay. Right. Then V3 form been. Been. Right. V1, V2, V3 forms. V1, V2, V3 forms. So what is the answer here? If wishes were horses, beggars would ride them. Okay. Guys here. Any confusion here? Any confusion? Okay, this is the main clause. In the main clause, what is that? Would plus V1 is there. This side here, simple past. Okay. Now 55. If it rains, the match would cancel kaadu. Okay. If it rains, present tense kada. If lo present aithe emaitadi? Ram Subhash, if present aithe emaitundi? Type 1 idi. The match, okay. They will cancel the match. Okay, they will cancel. Okay, the match. They will cancel the match. Okay, here in the passive voice, the match will be cancelled. Okay, the match will be cancelled. The match will be cancelled. సో ఇలా passive voice లో ఉంది. They will cancel the match. The match will be cancelled. Right? Any doubt here? I'm not getting, you are not getting. Okay. Should I unmute you? Okay, okay. Who is this here? Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yes, Ram Subhash, you can speak up.
Sir, there we completely changed the sentence, sir.
No. Actually, so
55.
55, the match, this match is not subject, it is object here. So answer is, what is that here? Instead of will V1, it will be cancelled. Will be plus V3 form. So this is not the answer here. First one is not the answer. This is not the answer. They is the subject. Will cancel is the verb. The match is the object. But here, what is given here? Object is given in the beginning. When object is given in the beginning, it is in the passive voice. So will cancel in the active voice becomes will be cancelled in the passive voice. Okay, this is given in the passive voice. The match is object only. The match will be cancelled. Okay. Okay, what did we learn? According to subject only. Subject ముందు వస్తేనే will plus V1 వస్తుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ముందు వస్తే will be plus V3 వస్తుంది. అలా పాసివ్ వేజ్ లో ఇచ్చాడు మనల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇది 54 సెకండ్ది. ఇఫ్ విషెస్ వర్ హార్సెస్ బెగ్గర్స్ వుడ్ రైడ్ దెమ్. ఈ సెకండ్ టైప్. ఇది ఇఫ్ వి గో అవుట్, ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైప్. ఇఫ్ లో ఏముంది? ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఉంది. మెయిన్ క్లాస్ లో ఏముంది? వి విల్ గెట్ వెట్. నెక్స్ట్, ఎనీ డౌట్ నౌ? రామ్ సుభాష్, నీ డౌట్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ? దే అనేది సబ్జెక్ట్, విల్ క్యాన్సల్ అనేది వర్బ్, మ్యాచ్ ఈజ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్. బట్ ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? మ్యాచ్ ను ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చాడు, అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ను ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చాడు. దెన్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ ఇన్ పాసివ్ వాయిస్. పాసివ్ వాయిస్ లో విల్ క్యాన్సల్ ఏమవుతుంది? విల్ బి క్యాన్సల్డ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఆన్సర్. ద మ్యాచ్ విల్ బి cancelled. This is the answer. Okay, they will cancel the match. The match will be cancelled. Okay, right. I am going out now. If anybody dash while I dash, can you take a message? Answer it. Answer it. And what is the hint ikkada? If anybody, if clause undi. Ikkada emundi? Can you take a message? Can plus V1 undi. So this is type 1. Type 1 kabatti ikkada em ravali? If anybody phones. Third person singular. If anybody phones while I am out. While I am out. Ikkada B దగ్గర. Can you take a message? 56 answer is, if anybody phones while I am out, okay, can you take a message? Okay, so miru first thing is you have to, okay, Baisha, very good. First thing here, you have to identify whether it is type 1 or type 2 or type 3. ఇది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. అది ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే ఈజీ. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, వాట్ వుడ్ యూ డూ, వాట్ వుడ్ యూ డూ, వుడ్ ప్లస్ V1, వాట్ వుడ్ యూ డూ ఇఫ్ సంబడి dash in here with a gun. So would plus V1 type 1 or type 2 or type 3? Ram Subhash type 3, Lokesh type 3. Ram Subhash continuous enduku vaadaru, past continuous. Continuous if clause lalla continuous ekkada unnadi? Ram Subhash, there is no continuous tenses in if clause.
Yes, sir. We should use past tense, right, sir?
Yes. Lokesh, is it second type or third type? Lokesh, second type would plus V1. Second type lo if lo emuntadi, past tense untundi. Past tense, what is that? Walked. Okay, walked ani undali. If somebody walked. So మీరు, okay, you have to identify whether it is type 1 or type 2 or type 3. Okay, I will give you some more exercise. I didn't know you are in the hospital. I didn't know, past lo. I didn't know you were in the hospital. If I had known, had plus V3. If clause lo past perfect undi, had plus V3. Main clause lo em undali? 58. Hello guys, are you listening? All of you. I didn't know you were in the hospital. If I had known. Ram Subhash, type 2 or type 3 or type 1? Only same mistake chestunna. Ram Subhash, is it type 1? Type 2? Type 2 lo had plus V3 unda? Had plus V3 unda type 2 lo? Okay, let me show you once again. ఇప్పుడు ఏంది, హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్ V3 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కదా, హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్ V3. చూడండి ఇక్కడ, హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యాడ్ ఆస్క్డ్ మీ, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యాడ్ టేకెన్ ఎ టాక్సీ, దిస్ ఈజ్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. You could have caught the train. I would have helped you. This is type 3. Type 3 లో had plus V3 ఇటు వస్తే, if లో వస్తే ఇట్ సైడ్ would have, could have, should have, might have. Type 3. Type 2 లో if తోటి past వస్తే మెయిన్ క్లాస్ లో would, should, could, might, V1 వస్తుంది. Type 1 లో if క్లాస్ లో present వస్తే మెయిన్ క్లాస్ లో will or shall or can or may plus V1. Once again you see, guys, here type 1 if clause here present tense, main clause will or shall or can or may plus V1. Type 2 if clause past tense, V2 form, main clause would or should or could or might plus V1. Type 3 if clause past perfect, had plus V3, main clause would have, should have, could have, might have plus V3. So don't forget this one. Okay. Okay, now here, what is the answer here? Is it type? Would have, Lakshmi, Bhavani, very good. Aparna, very good. Mullapudi, now you got it. Would have come. Very good. Dasar Lokesh, very good. Bhavani, very good. Okay. It is type 3. Okay, type 3, right? So what is that here? Okay, would have. Okay. That is not working. So okay, would have. Where is V? What is the V3 form of come? Come, came, come only. Come, came, come. I would have come to see you. If I had known, I would have come to see you. Okay, very good. Next. This is here to confuse us. 60. 60 here. Who will tell here? If I dash have a camera with me, I would have taken some photograph. ఇప్పుడు have కు V3 form ఏంటిది? Have కు V3 form. Have, okay, had, okay, then again had. ఇది V3 form. Just tell me. So is it type 1 or type 2 or type 3? Type 1 or type 2 or type 3? Mullapudi, is it type 2? Dasari type 3, very good. Okay. Lakshmi Bhavani here, is it type 1 or 2? Lokesh, type 1 or 2 or 3? How could you recognize here? Would have V3? Would have, should have, could have. Okay, plus V3 ఉంటే ఏదన్నట్టు? Type 3. Type 3. Aparna, is it? It is type 3 only. Okay. Lokesh, it is type 3. Mullapudi, type 3 only. Okay. So here, when it is type 3 అయినప్పుడు ఏం రావాలి? Had plus. Okay. Had plus V3 form రావాలి. What is the V3 form? First had పెట్టండి. ఇంకో what is the V3 form? Had. Again had only. So what is the answer? This is the answer. If I had a camera with me, I would have taken some photographs. 2 times the had. First had is the helping verb. Second had is the V3 form. So to confuse you, they will give like this. To confuse you. Had plus V3. Hello. Had, very good. Like Lakshmi. Ram Subhash. Okay, got it? Aparna, had plus one had is the helping verb, another had is main verb. So had. If I had a camera with me, I would have taken some photographs. Okay, would have plus V3, ఇది type 3 అన్నట్టు ఇది. Okay. Right. Next one. 61. 61 also you see would have plus V3. Okay. We type 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. Type 3. So in type 3, what is that? First helping verb, what is that? Had. Okay. Then what is the V3 form for be? Been. Right? If I had been hungry, I would have eaten something. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Had been. Okay, got it? So again, just once again, you just remember. Okay, they will give one side and another side will be blank. So only thing you have to remember is whether it is type 1 or type 2 or type 3. Okay, we can do some more exercise in errors. Okay, I will show you some more. I will show you some more exercise in the errors here. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, yes. Yeah. 12th one. What is the mistake here? 12th one. I already have given you answer. If you would have come to me, I would have helped you. This is the sentence. Main clause lo emundi would have helped undi. Main clause lo. If clause lo emundale had plus V3 undali. Type 3 kada. Okay. So చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Right? Would have V3 undi one side, its side. If side emundale had plus V3 undali. Next. ఇంకెక్కడ చూడండి. 13th. Okay. If you will obey your superiors, you will not come to grief. ఈ మెయిన్ క్లాస్ లో ఏముంది? యూ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ టు గ్రీఫ్. మెయిన్ క్లాస్ లో విల్ నాట్ కమ్ అని ఉంది. ఇఫ్ క్లాస్ లో ఏముండాలి? ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఉండాలి. ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ? ఇఫ్ యూ విల్ ఒబే అనేది తప్పు. ఇఫ్ యూ ఒబే యువర్ సుపీరియర్స్ యూ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ టు గ్రీఫ్. అంటే ఇఫ్ సైడ్ ప్రజెంట్ ఉంటే మెయిన్ సైడ్ విల్ V1, షల్ V1, కెన్ V1 ఆర్ మే V1 ఉండాలి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్. ఆ 38 చూడండి. he may advise you. 38 here. ఇది 38. If you will meet him now, he may advise you. So he may advise you అనేది correct. This is correct only. But we should not say if you will meet. What is the correct answer? If you meet him now, he may advise you. So we should remember, okay, type 1 లో ఏమొస్తుంది? సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ సైడ్ మెయిన్ సైడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ విల్ ఆర్, షెల్ ఆర్, కెన్ ఆర్, మే ప్లస్ V1. టైప్ 1. టైప్ 2 ఏముంటుంది? ఇన్ ద ఇఫ్ క్లాస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్. సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ V2 ఫామ్. మెయిన్ క్లాస్ ఏముంటుంది? సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వుడ్ ఆర్, షుడ్ ఆర్, కుడ్ ఆర్, మైట్ ప్లస్ V1. టైప్ 3. టైప్ 3లో ఇఫ్ సైడ్ ఏముంటుంది? పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది. పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంది? హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్ V3. మెయిన్ క్లాస్లో ఏముండాలి? వుడ్ హ్యావ్, షుడ్ హ్యావ్, కుడ్ హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ మైట్ హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ V3. సో ఇలా 3 టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్. లెట్ us come to this one. Any doubt in this if clauses? Is it clear now? Okay, why don't we use, okay, which one, Lakshmi Bhavani? For which question did you, okay, did you ask here? For which question? You can unmute, you can raise your hand and unmute. Lakshmi Bhavani. Question number 60. Okay. Why don't we use have? What is the, okay, how is okay, present perfect kadamma? Okay, how is present perfect? Bhavani, you can unmute now.
Yes,
Hello?
sir, I got it, sir. I have understood.
Okay, had plus V3 is only past perfect.
Okay,
Have,
sir.
okay, have been means present perfect only. Again, it comes in the type 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Present comes in the type 1. Okay, imaginary come in the type 2. Imaginary actions which are not possible, and past actions come under type 3. In type 3, if side had plus V3, main side would have or should have or could have or might have plus V3. In type 2, if side simple past, subject plus V2. Okay, main class side would or should or could or might plus V1 only. In type 1, if side present tense, main side future will or shall or can or may plus V1. Okay, and definitely in the common errors, okay, or in the tenses, one question will come on if clauses, definitely. Okay, 100% here, one question will be there on if clauses. Next, 61, okay, 61 to, okay, 66, those are with wish and its time. So remember, do you wish you dash live near the sea? You don't live near the sea. Okay, now you are not living near the sea. You don't live near the sea now. But do you wish you, okay, fill this blank here. Is it present wish or past wish? 61. It is present wish only. Because you are not living near the sea. You don't live near the sea. ఇప్పుడు మీరు సీ దగ్గర ఉండట్లేదు. సో మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఉండాలని అనిపించిందా? అనిపిస్తుందా? Not past, present only. So if it is present wish, okay, after present wish subject plus simple past. If it is past wish, subject plus, okay, past perfect. Okay, so what is the answer, guys? Yeah, imaginary only. Yeah, ఎప్పుడైనా అనిపిస్తుందా? Okay, so I will give you the, okay, hints also. You can take down the hints now. చూడండి, wish, if it is present wish, subject plus simple past. If it is past wish, subject plus past perfect. Example, I don't have a car, present అన్నట్టు. I don't have. I wish I had a car. నా కారు ఉంటే బాగుండు అనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, because I don't have a car, ఇది present కదా. So I wish I had a car. If it is past wish, at that time I didn't have a car. In the past, I didn't have a car. I wish I had a car. First had is helping verb, second had is V3 form, had plus V3 form. So guys, you can, okay, these are very, very important here. You can note down these two. Present wish is followed by subject plus past tense, V2 form. Past wish is followed by subject plus past perfect, had plus V3. Guys, okay, note down and you can take a snapshot. Okay, is it clear? Next one, okay, its time is followed by subject plus V2 form only. Its time is always followed by subject plus V2 form. What does it mean? Generally, it's time to go అంటే పోవాల్సిన టైం అయింది అన్నట్టు. It's time we left అంటే ఈసరికే మేము వెళ్ళి ఉండాల్సింది అన్నట్టు. It's time the train left. ఆల్రెడీ లేట్ అయింది, ఇప్పటి వరకే వెళ్ళి ఉండాల్సింది. That is the meaning. It's high time the train left. It's time or it's high time అయినా కూడా followed by subject plus V2 form. Remember these here. Okay, this its time came in the recent okay exam, that is not the campus placement. Okay, it came in group 2 exam, right? Okay, let us see now. 61, what is the answer? 61 guys here, what is the answer? Do you wish you? Okay, Mullapudi here. If it is present wish, subject is followed by simple past V2 form. If it is past wish, subject is followed by past perfect had plus V3 form. Now guys, here tell me the answers. Do you wish you? Dasari Lokesh, present wish or past wish? Mullapudi. What I am saying here, present wish aithe Lokesh, present wish aithe after present wish subject plus V2 form, simple past. Past wish అయింది అనుకోండి, విష్ తర్వాత సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ రావాలి. పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంటే హ్యాడ్ విత్. రామ్ సుభాష్ అది ప్రజెంట్ విషా పాస్ట్ విషా? లోకేష్ ప్రజెంట్ విషా పాస్ట్ విషా? 61 ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. I am asking, is it present wish or past wish? Guys, all of you listen. 61 present wish or past wish adi? How do you identify? I don't live near the sea. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యుయేషన్, నేను సీ దగ్గర లేను. ఎప్పుడైనా ఉండాలని అనిపిస్తుందా? ఇది ప్రజెంట్కి సంబంధించింది. Bhavisha, you are right here. Ram Subhash, what is your doubt? Lokesh, what is your doubt? Why can't you identify it as present wish? Ram Subhash, here tell me. Yeah, unmute and ask. Tell me.
Sir, now it's when it comes, you don't live near the sea means
Don't
now we are
live అంటే present tense కదా?
now we are not living, right, sir?
అది ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యుయేషన్.
That is present, sir. Then do you wish you live dash near the sea?
అంటే నీకు ఎప్పుడైనా అనిపిస్తుందా సీ దగ్గర ఉండాలని అనిపిస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు సీ దగ్గర లేవు కదా, ఉండాలని అనిపిస్తుందా? ప్రజెంట్ లో నీకు అనిపిస్తుందా అన్నట్టు, పాస్ట్ లో కాదు. ప్రజెంట్ లో సీ దగ్గర ఉండాలని అనిపిస్తుందా? Got it?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు నీకేమైనా అనిపిస్తుందా? అట్లా అనిపిస్తుందా? ప్రజెంట్ లోనే. ఓకే, సో అక్కడ సిచ్యుయేషన్, సీ ద సిచ్యుయేషన్ టైం. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్ విష్, ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ హియర్? ఇది డి ఒకటి. Do you wish you lived near the sea? Present wish. Past wish, you say, I didn't know. 62, come to 62, all of you. See 62. I didn't know. Didn't know means past. Past lo I didn't know. వాళ్ళు ఏదో అడిగినరు, నాకు తెలియదు. అక్కడ ఏమో జరిగింది, నాకు తెలియదు అప్పుడు. I didn't know. I wish. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 62 చెప్పండి. 62. I wish. 62. 62 past wish అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 62 past wish. I didn't know. I wish I had. I wish I had known. ఇక్కడ విడబడింది. I wish I had known. I had known. Okay. If I had known, I would have gone. I would have gone. Okay. I would have gone. Okay. I would have gone if I had known. Okay, guys? I would have gone if I had known. If I had known, I would have gone. I didn't know. I wish I had known. ఇది పాస్ట్ విష్ అన్నట్టు ఇది. అలాగే కమ్ టు 64. 64. Guys, 64. It's a difficult question. It's a difficult question. 64. Present wish or past wishes? 64. 63 తర్వాత చేద్దాము. 64 చెప్పండి. రామ్ సుభాష్, అది ప్రజెంట్ విషా పాస్ట్ విషా?
Sir, I guess it's past wish, sir.
How could you? It's a అంటే it is అంటే past ఆ?
I think if I known about, I know if.
మీరు అదే మళ్ళీ మీ లాస్ట్ ఇదివరకు మీకు ఎట్లా మైండ్ సెట్ ఉందో అట్లే ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఫాలోయింగ్ మై. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇట్ ఈజ్ అన్నప్పుడు అది ప్రజెంట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నామా పాస్ట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నామా?
Present only, sir.
మరి అంతే. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ ఉన్నది, దానికి ఆన్సర్ నాకు తెలిస్తే మంచిగా ఉండు.
I wish I know. I know.
ఐ
the
న్యూ.
answer. I knew the answer.
న్యూ అనగానే పాస్ట్కి వెళ్ళిపోకుండేది. ఇవన్నీ ఇమాజినరీ కాబట్టి ఇమాజినేషన్, ఇట్లయితే బాగుండు అట్లయితే బాగుండు అని డ్రీమ్స్ అన్నట్టు. సో ప్రజెంట్ విష్ అయితే ఐ విష్ తర్వాత ఏం రావాలి? సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ ఓకే V2 ఫామ్. ఐ విష్ ఐ న్యూ ద ఆన్సర్. దెన్ 65కు రండి. 65. Dasar Lokesh, it is not past wish, present wish only. Okay. 64 చూడండి, అది పాస్ట్ విషా ప్రజెంట్ విషా? It was a stupid thing to say. It was a stupid thing to say. చాలా స్టూపిడ్ గా మాట్లాడాను, అలా మాట్లాడి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. అది పాస్ట్ విష్. ఓకే, ఐ విష్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ నాట్ సెడ్ ఇట్. ఐ విష్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ నాట్ సెడ్ ఇట్. I wish I had not said it, or I shouldn't have said it. అలా చెప్పి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. ఓకే, ఇలా కూడా అనొచ్చు. Shouldn't have. Should, okay. Okay. Should not. Should not have said it. సో ఇలా. సో సింపుల్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మీరు ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యుయేషన్ లో మాట్లాడితే ఐ విష్ ఈస్ ఫాలోడ్ బై సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ V2 ఫామ్, పాస్ట్ టెన్స్. వెన్ యూ స్పీక్ ఆఫ్ పాస్ట్ థింగ్స్, పాస్ట్ గురించి మాట్లాడితే దట్ ఐ విష్ ఈస్ ఫాలోడ్ బై సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ యాడ్ ప్లస్ V3. Okay, now come to 63. It's time. It's time అన్నప్పుడు ఏమైంది? సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ V2 ఫామ్. It's time, it's high time is followed by subject plus V2 form. It's time the train started. Started. Okay? Is it okay, guys? Here. It's time, it's high time. Okay? విష్, ప్రజెంట్ విష్, పాస్ట్ విష్, ఇవన్నీ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Question tags are very easy. Question tags, why we make question tags here? After making a statement to confirm whether it is true or false, again, okay, we add question tags. Okay, question tags ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం అన్నప్పుడు, ఓకే, టు కన్ఫర్మ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, మనం ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ చేసేసి ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్, ఓకే, కన్ఫర్మేషన్ పర్పస్, ఓకే, టు కన్ఫర్మ్ ఇట్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ, ఓకే, వెదర్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ, వాట్ we are guessing, what we are stating is true or false. To confirm it, here we make question tags. Okay, and let us see here the structure of a question tag. So, okay, statement, okay, after statement keep comma, then keep helping verb, okay, and after helping verb keep not. If it is a positive statement, keep not. If it is a negative statement, in the question tag there should be no, okay, we have to remove not. Plus subject in pronoun form, subject pronoun form lo undali. For example, Lata is joking, right? Lata is joking. What is that? Is helping verb, joking is the main verb, and it is positive statement. So what is the question tag? First bring the helping verb ikkada. What is that helping verb? Is. Statement is positive, so question tag should be negative, isn't. So Lata is a she pronoun, isn't she. For example, Lata is not joking. ikkada if statement is negative లో ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ లో నాట్ అనేది ఉండొద్దు. హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ ప్రొనౌన్ ఫామ్. Is she? Lata is joking, isn't she? Lata is not joking, is she? Like that. Okay, right? Okay, now here let us see this one. Question tags. Helen has lived here for a long time. So in this one now, what is the helping verb here? Has. Main verb lived. So we have to bring here has here. Has. And statement is positive. Positive అంటే నాట్ నో అనేది లేదు కాబట్టి ఇది పాజిటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటారు. సో క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్లో ఏముండాలి? నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలి. hasn't. ఓకే, హెలెన్ ఎవరు? లేడీ కదా, hasn't she. This is the answer. Any doubt? Hasn't she. Okay, very good. Hasn't he కాదమ్మా, లోకేష్, she. Right. There are a lot of people here. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఏంటి? ఆర్ అనేది హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్, ఇంకా మెయిన్ వర్బ్ అయినా హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ అయినా అదే, దేర్ ఆర్. సో ఆర్ అనేది ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, ఆర్. ఇంట్ పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్లో రావాలి, ఆర్ ఇంట్. ఏమి రావాలి? ఆర్ ఇంట్ దే. పీపుల్ అంటే ఏమనాలి? దాన్ని దే అనాలి, రైట్? ఆర్ ఇంట్ దే. ఓకే, రైట్, ఆన్ దే. సో ఇక్కడ ఇది వచ్చింది. ఇన్ సో మెనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, ఓకే, దిస్ వన్ కేమ్. ఓకే, 61, 68. ఐఎమ్ టూ ఇంపేషెంట్. హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ? ఐఎమ్. ఓకే, చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తారు? ఐఎమ్ పెడతారు, తర్వాత ఇంట్ పెడతారు. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ ఇంట్ అని పెడతారు, తర్వాత ఐ అని పెడతారు. ఓకే, బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఐఎమ్ ఇంట్ ఐ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. It is wrong only. Red. What is the correct answer here? Aren't I? This came so many times. Guys, okay, you have to remember it. Aren't I? I meant I is wrong. Lakshmi Bhavani here. Okay, Lakshmi Bhavani. Isn't it? Why isn't it? Where is he? Is Ram Subhash. Is ekkada undi ekkada? Okay. So ikkada isn't I antara? తప్పు కదా. సో aren't I అనేది కరెక్ట్. ఇది this came in so many exams here in intermediate, okay, degree, wherever, okay, in common errors. This is very basic question. Okay, all will have only this idea, bring a helping verb. Okay, if not is there in the statement, keep not in the question tag, then keep here a pronoun. Okay, is it clear? Question mark. But here it is wrong here. So why we don't use I meant I? Because it is not used by the native speakers. That's it. Okay. I ain't I is wrong, Lakshmi Bhavani. Lakshmi Bhavani, I ain't I is wrong here. I may not is, I may not, okay, we can say, but it is also not in use here by native speakers. So we should go with the aren't I only. Okay, aren't I? Okay, so ikkada everybody is, okay, impatient. So everybody is అన్నప్పుడు everybody సింగులరే కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈజ్ అంటాం కదా, మరి ఇక్కడ isn't he అనేది రాకూడదు. isn't, ఓకే, isn't he అందామా, isn't she అందామా? isn't they ఎట్లా అంటావమ్మా లక్ష్మీ భవాని? దే అంటే ఎందుకు ప్లూరల్ కదా, దే అంటే ప్లూరల్ కదా. సో ఇక్కడ isn't he అనడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు, isn't she అనడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. he అంటే షీకి కోపం వస్తుంది, she అంటే హీకి కోపం వస్తుంది. సో in order to avoid the gender bias, we should go with aren't they. Okay, aren't they? This is the answer. So all exceptional examples only I am giving. Okay, isn't them, how can you say? Now sorry, them అనేది సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎట్లయితుంది, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా. సబ్జెక్ట్ లో దే అని ఉంటుంది, దెమ్ అని ఉండదు. మళ్ళీ ఈజ్ అనేది సింగులర్. ఓకే, ఆరింట్ దే ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్. అపర్ణ, ఆరింట్ దే. ఇట్ ఎందుకు వాడతావు? ఎవ్రీబడి అన్నప్పుడు పర్సన్స్ కదా, సో యూ కాంట్ యూజ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, అక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏది ఉందో అదే వాడాలి. సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటిది? ఎవ్రీబడి అంటే పీపుల్. పీపుల్ని ఇట్ అనొద్దు కదా. సో aren't they? This is the answer. Next, let's go out tonight. This is a suggestion. Whenever you get let's go out, okay, use here shall we. It is just like a suggestion. Shall we go, like that. Next, don't drop the vase. It is an instruction. Drop the vase, don't drop the vase. Okay, post this letter, don't post this letter, close the door, don't close the door. All these are future actions only. Future actions, instructions, which are called imperative sentences. Okay, so these are addressed to second person. ఎదుటి వ్యక్తికి ఉద్దేశించి మాట్లాడుతాం. Okay, yeah, don't drop the vase. So will you is the correct one. Very good. Shall we ఎందుకమ్మా? Okay, yes, previous question. Okay, right. Okay, right. Very good. Don't drop the vase. Will you? So like this. So here, if you don't is not there, drop that vase, won't you? ఇక్కడ నాట్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ నాట్ తీసేయాలి. If not is not here, there here. If it is a drop that vase, won't you? Will not you? Like that. Okay. So here we have covered all the tenses actually, but once again here you have to see the hints. Okay, these hints. Tables, go through the tables here which I have given in comparison only. Just read them once again and try to remember these hints. Okay, and see the comparisons also, right? And once again here I have given this one, conditional clauses plus wish. Okay, it's time, question tags. See these again here. Tomorrow we can go with the common errors in tenses. Common errors in tenses. Okay, how they will be asked in the exams, in the errors, not in the blanks, in the errors, how they will be asked. If we do them, just we can get to some clarity. Okay, within 2 days we can finish these tenses, no problem. But first, before going to this, okay, you better finish here. Okay, a revision. Make at least one revision. Try to remember the hints. Okay, usage is important. Okay, structure as well as usage, both are important. Okay. Yeah, Mullapudi Ram Subhash already. Okay, I have shared this here in your WhatsApp group. Tenses table, all this here. It is there. You can okay, scroll it and okay, it is there already with you in WhatsApp group. Those who have not added in your WhatsApp group, add yourself so that I can share. Okay, right. Okay, so shall we stop? Do you have any class now? Hello, do you have class? Okay, I couldn't get you, no, but no examples, sir. Ram Subhash, what is that here? No, I am not sending the examples here. Tenses table only. I have sent a tenses table only. Okay, examples I will send here. Okay, right. Ram Subhash, I will send you the examples also. Exercise.
Yes, in that only like formulas are like the required theory is there, sir. No example.
Okay, examples. Okay, we are doing now examples.
Yes, sir. Yes. I thought
after doing, I will share these files.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So it is not easy to remember unless you revise. Again, you get confused. Okay, so if you revise it in comparison, if you try to remember the structure and usage both here, it becomes easy. Do you have class now? Ram Subhash, do you have class now?
No, sir.
Okay. So, and one more thing I want to remind you, all of you guys, you must know all V1, V2, V3 forms. Okay. Can anybody tell here what is the V2 form of fly? Not fly, flow. FLOW. Guys, flow. Bhavani, you are wrong. Ram Subhash, you are flowing. Bhavani, you are wrong. Lakshmi Bhavani, you are wrong. Ram Subhash, try to tell. Likita, you are wrong. Flows is also present tense only, does form. Likita, flown, okay. Flown is wrong. Flew is wrong. Flowed is correct. See, that's why don't get confused. Flow, flowed, flowed. Flow, flowed. Hmm. Flow, okay. I have a problem with this screen. Flow, flowed, flow. Flowed, flowed. Flow, flowed, flowed. And what about fly? What about fly? Fly, flew, F-L-E-W. Fly, flew, flown. Okay. Can you tell, okay. Flee, F-L-E-E. Who will tell flee? Flee. Flee, fled, fled. Very good. Flee, fled. F-L-E-D. Flee, fled. Flee, fled, fled. Okay. So don't get confused here with these here. Okay. Even there will be so many confusions. Lie, lied, lied, lie, lay, lane, lay, lay, laid, laid. So many confusions will be there. Okay. So you better complete here V1, V2, V3 forms also, so that you will be good at here. Okay. Writing skills also. You can avoid grammar mistakes if you are good at tenses.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right, guys. V1, V2, V3 form and tenses verb forms and their usage in comparison. Especially try to remember the hints. How to identify the tense. Is it clear? How to? Okay. Any doubts? Okay, right. Okay, let us start. Anyone raising hand?